Hello everyone, in this video I'll guide you through the step-by-step process of converting any image to a PDF document for free using just your mobile phone. We'll use a common method that works on both iPhone and Android as well. For this, all you need is the Google Docs app, which is available on both the Play Store and App Store. I'll be demonstrating this on Android device, but the steps are similar for an iPhone. If you're interested in a simpler method for iPhone users that doesn't require any apps, check the link in the description. First, take a photo or download an image you want to convert to a PDF. Now open the Google Docs app. To create a new document, tap on the plus icon at the bottom right corner. At the top, tap on the insert icon represented by a plus sign. Then tap on image. You can either take a new photo with the camera or select an existing image from your photos. Since we want to select from photos, tap from photos. Locate the image in your files folder. If you can't find it, go to files, storage, DCIM, camera. Here you will find all the images you took with your camera. Tap on the image to select it, and this will insert the image into the document. Now tap once on the image. Then tap on the text wrap option. This will show you a bounding box around the image. Tap on the bounding box. Now tap and hold on the dots at the corners and drag to fill up the page. You can tap on the three dots and then untitle document to rename it to whatever you want. Once you are done with this, tap OK. And then tap on the check mark at the top left corner. Your document is now ready. Now we'll export this as a PDF. For this, tap on the three dots, tap Share and Export. Tap Save As, select PDF document. Tap OK. Here is the saved PDF document, which you can share directly from here or from the Files app. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comments. And if you found this video helpful, please like and consider subscribing to Twig Library. See you in the next one.